Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix message notification or sound on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you need to do, you need to first of all go ahead and make sure that your silent mode is not on. So when you have this button on your iPhone on your side, if the silent mode is on, that means you might not get the notification, right? Make sure you have turned it off. And the next thing is you need to go ahead and go to your settings and go to notification from this section, and make sure your notification are allowed, especially for the announced notification. Make sure it's allowed, so when you get a new notification, you will get the notification, you will know it with the vibration or the sound, right? And next thing is you make sure you have a turn to choose a tone for the notification as well, so you can remember it and you can acknowledge that this tone is for this particular message or this particular app. And that's how you will be able to fix the message notification sound on iPhone. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.